can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Arbitrum. Over the last 1 month, Arbitrum is up 27.6%. Over the last 1 year, Arbitrum is flat, is up 1.6%. The million-dollar question is, how high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? All coins are known to be very, very volatile. Can Arbitrum get to new all-time highs? We'll look at Arbitrum's valuation against the US dollar. Look at Arbitrum's valuation against Ethereum. Arbitrum's market cap, which currently sits at the $2.66 billion level. And Bitcoin dominance is dumping. How will that affect the price of Arbitrum? We're getting very, very close to altcoin season. How will that also affect the price of Arbitrum? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Arbitrum currently trades around $0.5 with a market cap of $2.66 billion. The fully diluted market cap at $5 billion with 10 billion tokens in total supply. The all-time high for Arbitrum happened on the 12th of January 2024. We saw it trading for as high as $2.40. Right now it's down 78% from that all-time highs. So why market participants hyped about Arbitrum? Why do we believe Arbitrum might set new all-time highs in the coming days and the coming weeks? Arbitrum is an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. It uses optimistic rollups to achieve its goal of improving speed, scalability, and cost efficiency on Ethereum. Arbitrum benefits from the security and compatibility of Ethereum. Another benefit is the higher throughput and lower fees compared to Ethereum that is made possible thanks to moving most of the computation and storage load off-chain. Look at Arbitrum's performance against the US dollar. It's been very volatile, pumps here, dumps here. First saw it dumping to Goblin Town, losing 50% of its value after launch. And then it went on a big run, went on a new all-time highs, saw Arbitrum pumping by more than 229%, getting to as high as the $2.4 level. But that was not all. Arbitrum started dumping to Goblin Town. Guys, at high prices, market participants believe will continue pumping. At low prices, they believe we're going to zero. I'm sure when Arbitrum was trading at the $2.4 level, a lot of market participants were expecting it to just continue aggressively dumping to Goblin Town. But that's not just the case. It eventually dumped to Goblin Town, yes, as they expected, but we didn't go to zero. We found the support at the $0.24 level, and Arbitrum lost 89% of its value in the process. But after finding the bottom, Arbitrum has started pumping to higher prices. We have gotten to as high as the $0.59 level. Can we continue going higher? Very, very possible. Can we continue going higher? That's the market conditions that we are waiting for, because right now everything is shaping up for all coins to go parabolic over the next few weeks. It might not be a straight line up, guys. There's going to be a resistance along the way. As we're dumping, it was not a straight line down. There was resistance along the way. The first major resistance we're going to be facing will be around the $1.2 level from where we're currently trading. If we rally up 145%, that will shoot us to as high as $1.21. If we continue pumping aggressively, guys, to as high as $2.32, that's always possible. When we see Arbitrum get to as high as $2.35. For it to do that, guys, we need to see about a 375% move to the upside. Do you think Arbitrum will do that? I personally think Arbitrum can do that. It can do that very, very quickly. Things move quickly in the cryptocurrency market. But why should we be expecting things to move quickly? It all boils down to altcoin season. Now, on a monthly time frame, we're in an altcoin month sees altcoin outperforming Bitcoin over a 30-day period, which Arbitrum has been doing. But if 75%, guys, of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is officially altcoin season. An altcoin month will eventually lead to an altcoin season. An altcoin season historically has been when we're all singing Kumbaya, expecting to continue going to the moon. So the more we get closer to altcoin season, the more we get closer to the end of that market cycle. And with Bitcoin dominance dumping, that's a telltale sign that capital is flowing straight to the altcoin market instead of heading to Bitcoin. When market participants start flipping their Bitcoin gains into the altcoin market, their Ethereum gains deep into the altcoin market, then you know coins like Arbitrum are getting ready for that exit pump. Is a $5 Arbitrum possible? There's always that possibility. But guys, for us to get to $5 Arbitrum, we need to pull almost 1,000x from where we are currently trading. Remember guys, you're playing the game. It's a long-term game. You're playing against other market participants. You have to just buy low and sell high. You have to buy when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. You have to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when greed returns, you want to sell for some sweet profit. Now, if Arbitrum starts pumping, don't think that it continue pumping forever. If Arbitrum starts pumping, the higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. If you want to buy some Arbitrum for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Uniswap, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Arbitrum tokens right there. You look at Arbitrum's performance against Ethereum. It's nothing to write home about. After it was launched, it had a big dump against Ethereum. That dump saw it losing 41% of its value. But then you saw it also pumping to the moon. But that pump was very brief. From December of 2023, we saw Arbitrum setting new all-time highs against Ethereum in January of 2024. 100% pump was okay. And after that 100% pump, Arbitrum has been dumping aggressively to Goblin Town ever since, losing more than 88% of its value against Ethereum. But guys, at the end of the market cycle, market participants start flipping their Ethereum gains into the altcoin market. Huge whales that have made profit in Bitcoin flip their Bitcoin profit into Ethereum, flip their Ethereum profit into the altcoin market, and coins like Arbitrum will start shooting to the moon. Look at Arbitrum's market cap. There's still room to run. Arbitrum's market cap sits at the $2.6 billion level. How high has Arbitrum market cap gone in the past? Obviously higher than $2.6 billion. We've seen the market cap of Arbitrum get to the region of over 4.9 to the $5 billion level. We first saw it getting to $4.6 billion in March of 2024. When the rally came back in December of 2025 for all coins, we saw Arbitrum's market cap setting new all-time highs, pumping to as high as $5 billion. But then it begs the question, guys, why didn't the price chart get to $5 billion in December of 2024? Arbitrum's price in 2024, when the market cap was getting to new all-time highs, was around the $1.2 level. Arbitrum was still off the previous all-time highs at $1.2. Arbitrum was way off the previous all-time highs. We need to see 100% pump for it to pump to new all-time highs. But then that's what happens when more tokens are coming into circulation. If you notice, when I was telling you about the market cap of Arbitrum, fully diluted market cap is at $5 billion, but the market cap is $2.66 billion. That means more tokens are going to be coming into circulation. It's going to have more tokens on lock. That's why you want to be careful with a lot of these altcoins. The market cap can be pumping to the moon at the same time you're using the price chart moving anywhere. And Arbitrum is one of those tokens. But guys, over the next few days and the next few weeks, I expect us to blast through that $5 billion level. For that to happen, Arbitrum will need to pull more than 100% move from where we're currently trading. A 200% move will put us firmly above $8 billion. But for us to get to $10 billion, Arbitrum will need to pull a 278% move from where we're currently trading. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying some Arbitrum tokens right now? How high do you see Arbitrum going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.